Today, I am going to replace the bridge. I'm going to upgrade the bridge on my Fender Tony Franklin fretless precision bass. I am upgrading to a brass A-style Hipshot bridge, and so I'm going to do this today in a way that I'm going to want to reuse the strings I'm taking off, because I don't want to break in a new set and have it all marred up trying to do intonation and whatnot. So I'm going to put this same set right back on the same bass. It's one of my favorite basses ever. And now it's going to be even favoriter. It's going to be awesome. looks pretty sharp. All right. Okay, one of my favorite things about Hipshot is rather than running the entire string through the bridge, especially when I'm putting a used string on, I don't have to mess with all that, like running through it. You can just drop it right in the top, press that ball end a little down there, and then just put this thing in place. Right now I'm just tightening the string barely because I can see I'm going to have to, obviously just coming right out of the package, I'm going to have to do some intonation and changing of the height for everything. So for this video, I'm not going to do the intonation and all that. I just want to show you how fast and easy it is to change out a bridge, minus calibrating your action and intonation. One cool trick I'm going to do is I can see where these strings have been on this bass for a couple years, and I can see where it's kind of crimped-ish from just use, and so I'm going to use that. What's going on here? That's funny. I have two basses on the bench here, and the other one is a friend's precision bass, and I accidentally put his round wound on where my SIT silencers are supposed to go. There we go. Thought that felt weird. great news about this is I can spread this bridge out. At least by default today, it just is a little narrow for my taste.